Hi, we're back, looking at another Level 2 box from Barrel & Blade, right here on Really Great Gear. Last month, we reviewed the first box I got after signing up for Barrel & Blade. I signed up for their Level 2 Premium box, which they say costs $100, but it actually came out to closer to $121 after shipping was added. The first box was a theme box that the company says is sent out to all new customers, and it's part of what they call Operation Plate Carrier. My opinion was that box was a pretty good value for the money. You can check out that review right here if you haven't seen it yet. We also previously took a look at a box from the Crate Club, which, to be honest, was a pretty big disappointment. Both of those reviews have links in the description section below if you haven't seen them. Today, we're going to look at the next box I received from Barrel & Blade. This one seems quite a bit lighter at only about 2.5 pounds. Let's open it up and see what we have. First things I see are two cards on the top. Like last time, one of the cards says this box is part of a Barrel & Blade operation. This one is Operation Battle Belt. As I mentioned last time, I wasn't sure what I thought about Barrel & Blade's operations. I thought Operation Plate Carrier was going to be a one-time thing, but looks like they did it again. The other side of the card states the need of having a good battle belt to which you can affix your pistol, spare ammo for pistol and rifle, and a knife. It then goes on to say you can also attach a flashlight, dump pouch, first aid kit, etc. It also foreshadows that Barrel & Blade is going to send more gear for your battle belt every month. Okay, I think I see what they're doing and it makes sense. If you start with the foundational pieces of tactical gear, like a plate carrier and a battle belt, they can then add pieces that complement that. It's much more logical than just sending out boxes of random crap and letting you figure out what to do with it. Barrel & Blade is going to help you equip yourself properly and then send additional items that work in conjunction with things they've sent in the past. That's actually a pretty smart idea. There's a second card in the box that says, "Stop! Read the back of this card." I guess they want to make sure you don't miss that. The back of the card states that these belts are expensive, $74 each, and they want to make sure they send you the right size. So I'm supposed to send an email to a certain email address with the size belt I need and the color I want, and they'll ship the belt out immediately. At the end of this video, I'm going to send that email and we'll see how quick their response is. By the way, the belt is from Elite Survival Systems. I looked online to see the belt, and it's the typical high-quality shooter's belt with a tough nylon webbing and reinforced core. It has the Australpen Cobra buckle, which is insanely strong and is the top of the line buckle for this type of belt. Looking at the other products in the box, I find a single black open top AR magazine pouch made by CONDOR. It has MOLLE on the back like the rest of the products to make it easy to attach to all sorts of tactical gear. Next is a black double pistol mag pouch, also by CONDOR. It looks like it's adjustable to fit a wide variety of pistol mags and has two flaps that velcro over the top of each magazine and can also be adjusted or removed if desired. Next is a black CONDOR Gen 2 battle belt. You'd thread the Elite Tactical Shooter's belt through this battle belt to give you some padding as well as the MOLLE webbing to attach all of your components to. When used this way, these battle belts make carrying ammo and a pistol much easier. I like to add a dump pouch to the back of mine, as well as a tearaway IFAK kit with some quick clot and a SWAT or CAT tourniquet. I have a link to those items below if you want to know more. Finally, we get to the knife, which is a Gerber Ghost Strike fixed blade knife with a sheath. Looks like a nice little knife. These retail on Amazon for between $30 and $35, but it has it listed on the card as costing $52. I'll put a link for this as well as a bunch of the other items in the description below if you want more information. To check the value we actually get in this box, let's compare the prices of the items listed on the card to what we can find them for online. First, the Elite Survival CO Shooter's Belt, listed on the card at $74, we found online for about $60. Second, the CONDOR Gen 2 Battle Belt, listed on the card for $24, we found it online for $18. Third, the CONDOR Single AR Mag Pouch, listed on the card at $10, we found it online for $9. Fourth, the CONDOR Double Pistol Mag Pouch, listed on the card for $12, we found online for $10. And fifth, the Gerber Ghost Strike Knife, listed on the card for $52, we found it online for $34. Totals. So add it all up, the totals on the card came out to $172. When we added up the totals of the items that we found online, it came up to $131. So again, the value's there. If you're interested in any more detail on any of these items or the ones that I mentioned, there's going to be links in the description below. I'll also put up a link to my Amazon store where you can purchase any of these items individually if you want to. Once again, let me know your opinion of the Barrel & Blade Operation Battle Belt box. What do you think? Leave a comment or take our poll. Thanks for watching as we looked at Barrel & Blade's Operation Battle Belt box. Next up, we have more items we're going to be reviewing, as well as some more subscription boxes, so please don't miss it. As always, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I look forward to seeing you next time with more really great gear.